Killabyte Cathnetics. It's me again, Bisayang Ilocana, Bisayang. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I am again with Mother Dear and my beb. Busy nag-drive. Hindi namin kasama si Marley ngayon, so kami lang tatlo. We are actually on our way to Valley of Fire National State Park. It's located 50 miles northeast of Las Vegas, and it nearly covers 46,000 acres. So napakalaki nitong state park na to. And we've been here last year around February 24th. Yung previous vlog ko, nag-vlog na kami dito dati. And during that time, it was still a little cold. But today would be a perfect day for us to go there and do a little bit of hiking. Kasi yung temperature doon, according to Uncle Google, it's gonna be at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So, just perfect. Kaya, ayun, at the same time, balot pa rin sila. Wala yung hindi. And we also got a lot of water just in case. So, yun, let's explore that place. And I'll show you around again sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng videos ko for last year. Pakita ko ulit sa inyo kung ano yung nandun sa Valley of Fire at saka kung gaano kaganda yung mga rock formations doon. So stay tuned! Ayan guys, so from I-15 mag-right turn kayo, tapos it's 11 more miles from the freeway papasok hanggang sa makapunta kayo doon sa Valley of Fire National State Park. And kung dito mo lang titingnan sa bungad niya, ayan, everything looks dead, as in hindi mo talaga may expect that there's a hidden gem doon pa 11 more miles. So wag kayong ma-discourage pag pumunta kayo dito, kasi talagang ganito yung view niya, parang wala, as in dry desert area. Kasi mamaya magugulat kayo kung gaano kaganda yung actual state park na pupuntahan natin. Guys, so we made it here, pero sa ano pa lang to? Bungad pa lang to, ha? Ayan. Valley of Fire State Park. And this road here is 2-lane lang, isa papasok at isa palabas. So you have to be really alert, lalo na napakaraming curves. So hindi mahirap madisgrasya dito. So you have to be very careful when you drive here and always follow the speed limit. And as much as possible, dahil 2 lanes, dapat nakabukas yung ilaw mo, even though it's not that dark sa dito sa labas muna. But for safety purposes, you have to turn on your yung light mo sa kotse para alam ng incoming na magko-cross kayo, magkakasalisihan kayo. Yun. So isa din yun sa safety measures pag nagda-drive ng 2 lane. So, ayan, si Beb ko, Mother Dear, picture. And you would know when you get closer and closer to the actual state park, kasi kanina, yung pag-exit natin, papunta dito, yung mga bundok is masyadong malalayo, tsaka talagang dead yung view. But the more you get closer to the area, palapit ng palapit yung mga bundok, at saka paganda na rin yung mga rock formations. So, ayan. Dito na tayo sa gilid. So, malalaman mo na malapit ka na. So, this place has mayroon siyang entrance fee. Used to be $7 per vehicle for local like us. Pero ngayon, dahil inflation, naging $10 na for locals and $15 for people who are out of state na gustong pumunta dito. Kaya kayang-kaya, carryballs natin ang discount kumpara sa mga out of state na visitors. So ayun, ito ang kanyang beauty. Biglang nagbago yung mga kulay ng bundok, and I'll tell you a little bit later kung bakit at kung ano yung mga yan. These rock formations, tingnan natin sa likod. Yan, yung mga pulang yan, according to Uncle Google, these rock formations used to be sand dunes, but shifting happened. Now, yumuyog-yog siguro yung lupa, kaya na-form siya ng ganyan. And these rock formations are called Aztec sandstone. So, from sand dunes, which is like buhangin, tumigas, kaya naging sandstone. And kaya Valley of Fire yung tawag dito sa state park na to. It's because if it's really hot here, yung reflection ng sunlight na nagre-reflect dito sa mga bato-bato, these rock formations look like fire kasi nga mapula, tapos bright, parang apoy. Kaya yun, doon galing yung pangalan na Valley of Fire State Park. So ayan, perfect yung weather. And ayan ang ating beloved mother deer. Picture sila doon. Tingin muna tayo dito.
Okay ba?
Okay. Napakaraming concave formations, mga kuweba-kuweba. But you just have to be really careful kasi mayroon siyang mga very fine sands na slippery. Kaya huwag yung masyadong aggressive pag umaakyat. Konting lang, ingat. Lalo na dito banda. I'll show you. Ito. Sobrang pino niyan. Tsaka sobrang dulas. Kaya careful kayo. Sumuot-suot kayo dito.
Picture. Tayo.
Akala mo, dyan lang nagtatapos. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang dami pa pala. Napakaganda. So, mag-i-enjoy kayo dito. Sobrang mag-i-enjoy. Lalo na pag ganitong time, dapat wag kayong maghintay na mag summer. It's gonna get really really hot here and you're gonna burn yourself to death kasi sobrang init. So around this time is the perfect time to come here, do hiking, do sightseeing, and do camping, because I know they have a lot of campgrounds here too, pero you have to follow the boards kung saan lang yung pwede nilang pagkampingan. Kaya yun, let's go to the next next stop. Doon pa daw. Dito dong. Inday.
Apa ka ng bato nga? Ha? Okay.
Our next stopover is the Beehive. Tsaka tinatawag siyang Beehive dahil sa mga rock formation na tulad nito. Yan. So that's why it's called Beehive. And we used to walk here before, a year ago. Marami akong pictures dito. Na-enjoy ko tong lugar na to. So ayan, just really quick kasi we're gonna go to the other hiking place doon malapit sa yung talagang nila, souvenir area, yung building nila. Tayo doon. Ayan. Our next stop is what they call the Rainbow Vista. So iba naman ang kulay ng dito, rock formations, medyo maputla, parang yellowish to orange. Ayan, ito dito. Yan. Unlike the other place, yung first and second stopover natin na talagang pulang-pula. This one, in this area, it's more lighter. And yung tawag nito, yung visitor center nila, it says it's only open from sunrise until sunset. And if you're there and it's already sunset, considered na siya as trespassing, and right now wala nang tao doon, kaya hindi kami nag-stop over, nag-drive lang, dumaan lang kami doon because we don't want to get in trouble. And may overlook pala siya. So, we are gonna go down na. Ayan. Baba na kami. And, I think 20 minutes ago, merong patrol na nagronda kanina. Tapos nag-announce na in 1 hour, they are going to close the state park for the day. Kasi nga sunset na. Yun pala yun, sunset. Nag-a-announce pala sila. So, we could have went through the hiking trail doon sa visitor center, kaso hindi namin alam na may announcement pala na ganun. So it's okay, next time we are gonna really plan a trip here para yung talagang hindi crunch time na maglakad-lakad kasi padilim na. Kaya ayun, let's go back to the car and let's go home. Pauwi na kami. Kaya pa? O, pagod na. Pagod na. Ito, Beb. Laspag na naman ang mga pagmumuka. Ayan, so we went to, what? Ilan ba? Tatlo? No? Tatlo yung stopover natin. And we had a lot of fun. I know that's just a fraction of what this place has to offer. Hindi pa namin talaga siya fully na-explore. But like I said earlier, mag-schedule tayo ng specific time and date na talagang we will spend a lot of time here na maglakad-lakad, mag-relax, siguro picnic ng konti. We'll see how it goes. So, ayun guys.
May picnic area sila.
May picnic, yeah, they do have a picnic area. Kanina may mga benches sila doon, yung last na stopover natin. So, ayun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Bisayang Ilocana. Nabulol na ako. My Facebook page is Bisayang Ilocana, and together with my Instagram page, it's also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! So we were supposed to be on our way home Pero may nakita tayong napakagandang tanawin, kaya tara, silipin natin. Ano tayo. Tataka kami bakit ang daming nakapark dito. Ito pala. Wow! Oh, they are so beautiful. Yun guys. So, pag ganyan, just keep your distance. You are invading their space, so you have to respect them. Huwag kang masyadong malapit. Just let them do their thing. And dito lang kami sa kabilang side. Titake ng pictures. And they're there. They're just trying to find food. Kaya, ayun. Those are so beautiful. So, balik na tayo.